Hi, this is John. Welcome to another video. This is a companion video to the one I made recently on the guided edit for replacing backgrounds. And this is the one I saved as a PNG file with transparency from the last tutorial. If you want to see that original video, I've placed a link below the description for this video. So I'm going to show you now how you can build different backgrounds using the built-in tools in the in the expert mode. And these include gradients, patterns, and graphics. So I'm going to start off with gradients, and we go to the layer menu and choose new fill layer gradient and click OK. And this is one of the first default ones that comes up. I'm going to click OK, but I need to now drag this down below layer 0 so that it actually becomes the background, and you can see how it affects the transparency. We can double click on this now to bring up the choices, and you can see that when we choose different gradients, it gives us a new background altogether. The default ones are pretty good. Solid colours, no transparency. And we can also play around with the angle by just changing this. You get a completely different effect. As you can see, I'm going to change the box back to 90, which is the default. Double click again, and we've also got these styles. So the default is linear. We can choose radial, and you can see how that affects angle. Gives like a split screen effect, reflected, and diamond. So I'm going to set it back to linear, and you can see you've got all these different types as well as the default. We've got spectrums, special effects, simple, pastels are quite nice, noise samples. As you can see, we've got so many choices here. Metals, color harmonies 1, color harmonies 2. So you can see within the expert mode we have all these choices for different backgrounds, which just simply by using the gradient tool. I'm now going to go back to the layers panel and choose another fill layer, and this time instead of gradient I'm going to choose pattern. And as you can see, we have a whole set of patterns we can use built into the program, and different sections to choose from. Color paper, those are the defaults, grayscale paper, nature patterns. So many choices of replacing backgrounds in the expert mode quite simply by clicking on these built-in patterns. Rock pattern, texture fill 2, texture fill. Well, you get the idea. So that's gradients and that's patterns. So click OK. I'm now going to go to graphics because we have even more choices in the graphics panel. The ones with the blue corners have not been used previously and need to be downloaded. The ones without the blue corners I've used previously, and we can just apply those with a simple click. So you can see I'm scrolling up and down the panel, and there really are dozens of choices. This one I've used before, so if I just click on that and apply it, I need to turn off these two layers so that we can see it. And there we are. Let's replace the background, and we can keep using graphics just with a simple click to change the background for our subject. Let's try this one. This one's downloading. It's quite funky. What else do we have? This one I've used before, so that loads much more quickly. It doesn't have to download. What's this one? This one looks quite interesting. Well, yeah, that's a bit quirky, isn't it? But as you can see, we've got so many different patterns to choose from. I quite like that one, although it seems to have some kind of text behind it. I think there's a better one further down, which I've used previously. Just looking for it. It's a similar green colour. So many choices here, it's unbelievable. And this is the one. Yeah, I like that one, so we'll stick with that. So thank you for watching this video. I thought I'd just give you the option, instead of using the guided edit, to use the tools that are built into the expert mode and the wonderful choices available for gradients, patterns and graphics. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.